Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel's Tech Space. In this latest video, I teach you about the SEO and social media marketing. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimizations, and social media are the platforms in which we can share our thought, ideas, audio, videos. So now, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to see the test video on time. So now let's start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search what is SEO and social media marketing. You will see the different result after searching this line in the search bar. Search engine optimization, SEO. Attract more online users to your websites and increase your brand's visibility with integrated SEO and social media marketing services. What is SEO and social media marketing? What is SEO and social media marketing? SEO is about optimizing your website so that it turns up in searches done by people seeking your products or services and intacting them to visit your website. Social media does the same things. It gets your name and content in front of people interested in your offerings. Social media marketing and SEO same. SEO strategy considers which keyword provide the most value along with the other tools such as formatting and link buildings. Social media marketing is more about building online relationships and engage with your buyers persons, creating brand awareness along the way. What is social media marketing services? Social media marketing is a digital methods used by business to connect with customers, earn brand awareness, and easily promote services and products where users are spending most of their times scrolling them the feeds. What is SEO marketing services? What are SEO services? SEO services are research engine optimization services intended to increase visibility and ultimately organic search traffic to websites. These are often provided by agencies or freelancers who are expert in all the aspects of SEO. So all these questions related to our topic you can read one by one and get benefit from it. So now our topic is end. See you the next video. Take care. Bye.